Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, Binance crypto exchange is really in trouble. And over the past few days, and even prior to that, there have been a lot of countries who are looking to crack down on Binance. Now, my concern is what do the investors do? Where do they go? What should they look out for? Those are my real concerns. So in this particular video, I'm going to first list down the main troubles that Binance has been facing lately and what the investors should do and how they can come out of this kind of a spot that they are in at the moment. Now, it's not all doom and gloom yet. There is still a lot of chances, a lot of ways for investors to protect themselves. So let's dive in. Before we do that, please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos so that I know what kind of content you're looking at, what kind of research you want me to do for your knowledge, especially if you're an investor. And please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my curation, from my videos. So with that, let's start talking about it. Let me share my slides. So let's look at the troubles for Binance. First, Changpeng Zhao, who's a Canadian Chinese who owns Binance crypto exchange, has registered the company in the Cayman Islands. So this is for your knowledge. And the Chinese government cracked down on Binance back in 2017. They did again last month in June. Hence it moved to Japan, where the regulators warned them again in 2018 that it was doing unauthorized trading in cryptocurrencies. After Japan, the Malta Prime Minister invited them in 2018, but the EU was critical of Malta for not trying to regulate the exchange, despite it having operating in a EU state. Malta is a part of EU. So that was a big question mark. Now, Zhao, in one of the conferences in 2020 last year, had very famously said that you have to have an entity, you have to have a headquarter, you have to have a bank account. All of these things don't need to exist for blockchain companies. So what it tells you is that this potentially can be a stumbling block for investors because there is no track of the company. There is no way you can track down the company. There's no way you can do a backtrack of where the funds have flowed and what are they doing with the exchange, where is the technology, what kind of security are there in the technology. Security is a big issue with Binance. And compliance. Apparently they had to ramp up their compliance team and double their compliance team the last few weeks. That's what their CEO Zhao said in one of the press statements. So the UK Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, last week banned a regulated affiliate called Binance Markets Limited from offering any traditional financial services that fall into the regulator's remit, such as arranging investment deals in the UK. The big step from FCA. After UK and Japan, Canada too has cracked down, and I can tell you, I forgot to mention here, even South Korea has started to crack down on Binance. The Cayman Islands Monetary Authority said on Thursday, that's last Thursday, that Binance is not authorized to run a crypto exchange there either and is investigating whether any of its operations are based in the tax havens. So they are looking to crack down as well. That's where the company is apparently registered. Last Friday, Thailand filed a criminal complaint against the company for allegedly operating without a license. So Thailand is also cracking down, and there are more to come. So also the UK bank Barclays blocked the payments to Binance. So that's a big step. So the bank blocks payment to Binance, although Binance did go out to put a statement on Twitter against this particular blockage. But then this is what that has been happening with Binance, and the story continues. This is just the beginning, and there will be more such stories that you will see in the days to come. So watch out for all of that. So what should the investors do? So first, the UK customers using Binance services actually can still use the platform. But FCA has a deadline of March 31st next year, 2022, for Binance to register in the UK. It's not registered yet in the UK. Concerns about cryptocurrency operations is because the rise of scams taking place through social media platforms, where users are often approached out of the blue for investment opportunities in coins like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. So that's one of the concerns that FCA has. According to FCA, those using such platforms and trading in crypto should do further research on the product you're considering and the firm you're considering investing with. So that's a valid point, and I've been mentioning this particular point over and over again in all of my videos on what investors should do, what kind of research they should do. It may also be advisable to withdraw from the Binance accounts and look for alternative and more reliable cryptocurrency exchanges. That's what I feel. Definitely you should look at doing all of that. So those are the four aspects that the investors should look out for. Like I mentioned, that I did talk about what steps the investors should do to ensure that they don't put in money in crypto without taking a few steps. I mentioned 5 different steps that you should take before you invest in a crypto. I'll put the link to that video in the card above. Go take a look at it. I did that video a few weeks ago, so go take a look at it. It's still valid today. So that's it, guys. As you know, I have a free ebook which is on my journey as an entrepreneur. The book is titled 6-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur, where I've spoken about time when I quit my 6-figure globetrotting corporate job and what I did, and what I lost out on, what I won, and also it talks about what you should look out for before you're looking to be an entrepreneur. Essentially, the mind of an entrepreneur. So if you're looking to becoming an entrepreneur, I put down 3 worksheets in that ebook where you could take a kind of a quiz and score yourself, and you would know where you stand if you're looking to becoming an entrepreneur. And the cool thing is, I have scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010 when I quit my job and became an entrepreneur. So you would know how much I scored in this particular book. The book is available on my website. The link is flashing on the screen. I'll put the link in the description box below. All you have to do is to put down your name and email address, and the link to download the book will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the book and the book is useful to you. Well, thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. My LinkedIn URL will be in the description box below. Go ahead and connect with me. I work with clients to look for solutions to their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you're looking to engaging me as your consultant, please drop me a line on LinkedIn, message me on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on my contact page of my website, whose URL will also be there in the description box below. And I shall reach out to you later and have a call with you to see how we can work together, how I can help you and your company. So that's it, guys. Before I go, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my knowledge, from my research, and from my videos. Bye bye, and you take care of yourself.